Hello dear students, in this video we are going to study the differential calculus. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Gholab. We try to understand the concept of differentiation or derivative. You can see in this figure there is a curve and we want to find out the rate of change or slope of this curve. As you all know that at this curve, slope at every point is different. So it is very difficult to find out the slope. So we plot one line passing through 2 points on this curve, that is called as secant line. Okay, the coordinate of this point, point is at x distance from the y-axis. So x coordinate is x. And when we put the value of x in the function, we will get y, that is f of x. That is x, f of x is one coordinate. Another coordinate is we plot another point on this curve at a distance of h. Then what is the x coordinate? X coordinate is x plus h, and when we put the value of x plus h in the function, we will get the y coordinate, that is f of x plus h. Okay, these are the two coordinates on this curve, and we draw the line passing through this point. Then we can find out the slope of the line. Okay, slope of the line is same at each and every points. That's why it is called a straight line. Okay, the slope of this line is, how we can find out the slope? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or we can say the rise over run. Okay, or vertical distance divided by horizontal distance, that is the slope. Okay, what is y2? Y2 is f of x plus h. Y1 is f of x. That's why f of x plus h minus f of x divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2? x2 is x plus h minus x1 is x. X plus h minus x. X is cancelled. What is the slope of this line? Second line is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is the slope of line, but we want to find out the slope of the curve. Okay. Slope at each and every point on this curve is different because that is in curvature. So we find out the slope at one point. Okay. Then what we call it as a line passing through one point on the curve, that we call it as a tangent. How it is will happen? When we reduce the distance between these 2 points. Means we try to approach these points towards this point. You can see the arrow shown here. Means we reduce the distance of this h. Then the second line become the tangent line. Okay, second line become the tangent line. Then we find out the slope of the curve at specific point. How we can find out? Here the limit is used. You can see limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is nothing but the derivative of the function. Dy by dx of f of x is equal to h, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. The derivative of function at some input is equal to slope of the tangent line. At that point, the derivative is a measure of the instantaneous rate of change. The derivative concept is used in physics for finding the speed of the moment, rate of change. Okay, the process of finding the derivative of a function by using the definition is called as differentiation from first principles or delta method. If derivative of f of x exists, then the function f is said to be derivable or differentiable. The process of finding the derivative is called differentiation. Thank you.